Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home.
Hello my friends, it's Angie World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you an amazing remedy to grow long and to thicken hair. If you do have hair fall, just spray this in your hair and your hair will grow super fast. You can grow new baby hair in your hair and you will get thick naturally hair, yet with very simple ingredients at home. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy, you will be notified to watch it and you will get so many useful beauty tips from me, so make sure to subscribe. The first ingredient we need to prepare this magical remedy is 1 onion, and we need to peel the onion like so. Now cut the onion into a small pieces. Like so, my friends. Now in a pan, place it into a pan like so. Now we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of rice, then add on it 1 teaspoon of cloves, then we need to add 1 full teaspoon of rosemary, my friends, place on it 1 cup of water and boil it very well on the stove for around 5 minutes. Keep mixing and boiling on the stove for around 5 minutes, my friends. We need to strain it. Like so, my friends. Now we need to add on it a magical ingredient, which is half teaspoon of instant coffee. And instant coffee contains caffeine, which enhances the growth of your hair and will grow your hair to the point literally that you will need to cut it. It's super effective in growing long and thicken hair naturally. Now my friends, it's the best to use it by place it into a spray bottle and spray it on your hair, and my friends, the result will amaze you. It is super effective in growing long and thicken hair naturally without any side effects. It's all natural and it works. It gives an amazing result. I'm sure that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.